The Dreame X50 Ultra is an innovative cleaning powerhouse that redefines home cleaning with its advanced technology and sleek design. This cordless vacuum cleaner is engineered to deliver exceptional performance. Whether you're tackling carpets, hardwood floors, or tight corners, with a powerful motor that generates strong suction, the X50 Ultra ensures every speck of dirt, dust, and debris is thoroughly removed. One of its standout features is its lightweight and ergonomic design, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and up staircases. The inclusion of multiple cleaning modes allows you to customize the suction power to suit different surfaces, from delicate fabrics to stubborn pet hair. Additionally, the advanced filtration system captures even the finest particles, ensuring cleaner air in your home. The Dreame X50 Ultra also comes with a long-lasting battery that provides extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Its quick charging capability means it's always ready for the next use. The detachable dustbin and washable filters make maintenance a breeze, adding convenience to its impressive functionality. Equipped with smart features like an LED display and intuitive controls, this vacuum cleaner is designed for a seamless user experience. Whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner, or someone who values efficiency, the Dreame X50 Ultra is a game-changing solution that elevates your cleaning routine.